I'm your new aerial photography partner. Brighter and smarter. Take me with you and let's start our adventure. With Dynamic Track 2.1, I can follow you anywhere you go. And with millisecond autofocus, capture your shots with instant clarity. A 1-inch CMOS sensor and 6K camera allow me to deliver crisp and vibrant images. And Autel Skylink, we can explore anywhere you want.
Hi, I'm Evo Lite. Equipped with a 4-axis gimbal, I can shoot lossless vertical videos and help you master cinematic shots with just one click. Boasting 50 million pixels and a RYYB color filter array, I will capture every detail you want and upload your images wirelessly in seconds, so you can spend more time sharing, less time waiting. With 40 minutes of battery life and all-new ultra-wide-angle obstacle avoidance system. Fly further, faster, and safer. Evo Lite to Evo Lite Plus. New perspectives, new possibilities.
ANAFI is a flying camera that contains cutting-edge photography software and hardware. An integrated camera uses a latest generation sensor for spectacular 4K HDR videos and 21 megapixel photos. HDR adds a far more dynamic range to the image. It's ideal for filming a sunset or a bright blue sky with exposed backdrops. ANAFI is the only drone on the market able to do this. It's a camera capable of taking unique photos and videos that just aren't possible with any other drone in the same category. The camera tilts from -90 to +90 degrees vertically and takes shots from all angles. The camera is equipped with a wide-angle lens featuring a 110-degree diagonal field of view. The optic was specifically designed to limit lens flare in all lighting conditions.
We integrated an up to 2 times lossless digital zoom and an up to 3 times standard digital zoom. The zoom led us to create a brand new smart drone called Dolly Zoom, better known as the famous vertigo effect.
I am the Evo Nano, and I was born colorful. I have 4 color combinations. You can put me in your pocket. I'm easy to fold. As your smart miniature selfie drone, I can go wherever you go. I have a large f1.9 aperture and a 1/1.28-inch CMOS sensor that lets me gather more light. With my 4K camera and HDR capabilities, you can clearly record the beauty of life. Use me to take selfies with one click. Panoramic, medium shot, or close shot. Switch it up however you like. At your command, I follow objects automatically, and my battery gives you the freedom to command the skies for nearly 30 minutes. Want to change angles? Just one click. South, east, north, west. Just tell me where you want me to go. At only 249 grams, I can be with you for every part of your journey. What else can I do? Automatic obstacle avoidance. To dodge objects in front, behind, or below. Quick autofocus to help you snap objects fast or slow. First time as a pilot? No need to worry. Just click one button and I'll do all the heavy lifting. Flick, fade away, orbit, rocket. Done shooting? Upload photos and videos wirelessly at 160 megabits per second. Then create beautiful videos with ready-made templates, so you can edit and share in seconds. With Autel Skylink video transmission, you can take pictures anytime, anywhere. I am the Evo Nano, your smart mini selfie drone.